Every day you make a choice. It looks small, only $5. But inside a time machine, that $5 becomes something else entirely. Meet Fred and Ian. Both have $5. Both have a plan. Fred wants a reward now. He buys a daily latte. It's warm, it's tasty, and it's gone in 10 minutes. Ian wants a reward later. He puts his $5 into a diversified S&P 500 index fund. To Ian, this isn't $5, it's a seed. Let's pull the lever. 10 years later. Fred has enjoyed 3,600 coffees. Ian's account is worth $25,000. 20 years later, Fred's mountain of empty cups is growing. Ian's tiny sprout has turned into a glowing golden tree. 40 years have passed. Fred is still tired, and his mountain of trash is huge. He spent nearly $75,000 on caffeine over his lifetime. But because he consumed his wealth, he has nothing to show for it but a caffeine habit. Ian's tree is now a forest. Thanks to compound interest, his $5 a day, just $150 a month, has exploded into $150,000. He didn't work harder than Fred. He just let time do the heavy lifting. The difference between Fred and Ian wasn't their salary. It was their vision. One bought a moment, the other bought his freedom. Which one are you buying today? Small habits create massive futures. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth, and download our compound interest cheat sheet in the description.